Welcome back to another episode of Samsung Developers. I'm Vincent, and in this first episode of 2015, we will look into the types of Gear applications. Here is a graphical representation of the three application package structures. We have linked, integrated, and standalone. First is the linked or master follower Gear application, where applications are installed separately. It's called master follower as the host serves as the master and the wearable responds to it even though they are of different type of applications. Generally, the master application is for the host device and the follower application is for the wearable. This would enable a Gear app developer to manage each application type easier. Now, if the master application has problems or needs to be updated, only the master application needs to be fixed and re-uploaded. Second is the integrated application. Unlike the linked application, the host is the only one required of manual app installation. Embedded in the host app is the wearable widget, which the Gear Software Manager will install for you. Here, the wearable widget depends on the host's existence and their connection. Integrated type applications may be appropriate only if you make the application only for the Gear series and not for mobile. Lastly, we have the standalone application. As the word implies, it stands alone. The widget is installed directly on the wearable and exists without the need of a host. Needless to say, your app can run freely without strings attached. Let's familiarize ourselves with the architecture of both host and wearable devices, including the Gear Software Manager. The Gear Manager is responsible for delivering information to the wearable as well as widget setup. On the receiving side, the Wearable Manager service will install the widget and throw information back to the Gear Manager on the host. Now, for these to do what they're supposed to do, a connection between the host and the wearable must be established courtesy of the Samsung Accessory Protocol or SAP. Medium may either be Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Classic, or Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE. Let's go over all the things we talked about in today's episode. The Gear Manager initiates connections for host and the wearable. Since we are to deal with the different applications, this covers everything: installation, notification, and configuration. Samsung Accessory Protocol or SAP is responsible for communication. The host and wearable communicate through various mediums, made possible by SAP. Gear applications may be linked, integrated, or standalone. As a developer, choose the appropriate type for the application you have in mind. That's it for Gear application types. We hope this tutorial helped. For inquiries, please post your questions on the official forum at developer.samsung.com. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be updated with the Samsung Mobile SDK. Thanks for watching.